Greetings, family. This is Bomani time, but I'm in Ethiopia, in Shashemene land, yeah? The land that Ali Selassie I laid out for our brothers and sisters in the African diaspora to repatriate. And we're here to link with some of our good brothers and sisters that repatriated. And we're here in one of the nice communities. And this is a wonderful brother that's giving us a nice tour, our tour guide. Yeah. Brother, can you just introduce yourself and share your name?
My name is Desta.
Right.
Desta is happy.
And Desta is born in Ethiopia?
Yeah, born and grown in Ethiopia, my parents, Ethiopia.
But your parents are born where?
Yeah, Ethiopia, Shashemene.
Your parents and...
Shashemene.
Who was born in Dominica?
No, me like baby keep like coffee. Me baby like me grand like before. Me like baby. Me family give from him. And him to put in me like everything give me stay in house. He help a lot of things like me see like me father.
Absolutely. And what I want to share with some of our people is some of the people who have repatriated from the African diaspora, from the Caribbean islands or America. We had a brother here that repatriated from Jamaica, and our brother here is repatriated from St. Vincent and Grenadines. And
you know that this like this all come Shashemene all world. He live Shashemene all world. He live Shashemene. Not only Jamaica, not only Canada, not only America, all world. He live to Shashemene now. Germany, France, Martinique, Guadeloupe, England, America, Dominica, Bermuda.
Exactly, that's what we call the African diaspora.
African
everywhere outside of the African continent. We have different people from all over who have repatriated to Shashemene land.
Yeah, Shashemene land, yeah. Like this, live Shashemene all get like have a community. Want to together, want to community like open enough, like have a school, built a school from Ethiopia like children. First time I started this. It goes like 95% is Ethiopia. 95%. 5% they come from Jamaica all over in school. Live Shashemene.
Excellent. So the community is growing, right?
Yeah, communities are gone. Yeah, in a community together and have like coffee. One is to have soya tester, like soya bean, you know, soya. Actually, one last time I come from England. One have sugar cane juice in one community like one. Yeah, one to come from like Lily Valley, you know, one to come from France enough. They are lodge, you know, lodge.
Excellent. So it's a nice community and
nice community move from ourselves like come all the community want to like business together like.
And everybody's building.
Everybody build, everybody share. Like what is the problem? Like a lot of people don't want to come. Government no give like legal and legality from all world. You know one give like this secondly for no pay like work, building. Because all the Rastaman come from together with Ethiopia wife. And if mix together like Ethiopia, it's Jamaica, all the wife India, rat together like half mix Jamaica and half Ethiopia. Ethiopia like come Jamaica man in the Ethiopia human. Have together like a lot of family.
Absolutely, family. So brothers and sisters in the African diaspora.
Yeah, African diaspora.
A lot of opportunities for you to come and connect in Shashemene, which is a few hours below Addis Ababa.
Yeah, 3 hours,
right here in the south of Ethiopia.
Yeah, like
yes, family, and we're about to go inside and give you a nice view and just give you a nice little feel of the property.
Yeah, maybe you have one.
And where are we at right now?
This is a museum, Banana Galal Museum, Shashemene, Ras Hailo.
Excellent, family.
Yeah. Maybe you visit later, Rasaman. Maybe visit another time.
Greetings, my brother. Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Hi. Welcome to the Banana Art Gallery. So tell me more about this thing. I am Haile Tafari from St. Vincent. You conduct?
Yes, we conduct repatriation tours. Our goal is to connect our brothers and sisters to different parts of the African world. The main country we push is Ghana, and we've been pushing for repatriation there and connecting people from 2006 until now. And then we're looking for another country to build a relationship with, to where we can connect people to land and also the ways of investment, so they can bring the energy, to make a stronger repatriation movement, and also for us to work together to build Africa for the Africans.
Yeah, I'm Haile Tafari from St. Vincent. I came here in 1994. Yeah. So, greetings to all my brothers and sisters and back home. They took me out to Africa, my spirit, but they never took Africa out of me. Well, I'm gifted since I was 10 years old with a skill called the banana art. Some parts of Africa do use banana materials, but that's not banana art. They only use 2 parts of the tree. I use 3 parts. I don't use colors. For example, in Kenya, they do some usage of banana materials, but they use red cloth, white cloth, and black cloth, and colors to match. But I call it banana art, this is my gallery because banana is the chief crop in St. Vincent that she used to ship those fruits to Europe. So by calling it banana art, it spoke about the people, it spoke about the country. So at the age of 10, my mind was not mature enough to understand what to do because this art skill was not in no media, radio, TV, no schools, colleges or university. So I went into the banana fields for 20 consecutive years. And with the enlightenment of the Most High, Selassie, he enlightened me to see effects, shades, colors, tones, everything. So 20 years I practiced all by myself, and in 1980 I showed the world the virtues. It's the only banana art gallery in the world. My work's not in Addis Ababa, only here. This I've been working on since 1997. Yeah, I have not completed as yet because I couldn't get the banana materials to fit, the positions that I want. So I have many pieces, all 10 years I work on and so forth. 1997, no, 96, 23, 1992, 8, yeah, 1992. Well, I was in England and I couldn't get banana materials in England. That is why, I had to run out to England. Yeah, I had to run it serious because England only have 1 banana tree. So I couldn't get material. So you see, everything is natural. I don't use colors. All these spots natural. Look at that. For any fruit tree, I have the hair to finish, right? This is Rastaman, born in the chalice with the locks, and open up the third eye. The third eye is here, the spiritual eye. Watch, right here, the third eye is right here. That is the spiritual eye, so that is it. So I hope to complete it soon. But the remarkable thing about this art, right, is because of any fruit tree in the world, banana has the most species, over 100 species of bananas. The second most varieties of trees come from the mango. Yeah, mango have over 100 species. I wrote an article about mango trees when I was in St. Vincent in the newspaper, so I know. A lot of mangoes never come to the market to be sold because there's only like a 1-off, 2-off, personal mangoes for the home. You never see them selling at the market. So that is what makes the art powerful. And scientists had come on the government information program as well to expound upon the chief crop, banana, but it wasn't really talking about my banana art, but it complemented my banana art because the scientists said the stains, from the banana, the latex as it's called from the banana plant, once that dries and hardens, it is tougher than the toughest plastic in the world. So it's a self-preserve art. The people in the countryside use the trunk of the tree instead of galvanized to cover roofs. In the olden days in St. Vincent, we never used to tie cattle with chain. They plait the banana material and that holds strong cows. Yeah, man. Even floor mats you could make from it, and floor mats is good for reflexology. When people come with the heavy boots and the heavy on the mat. Look, I have mats outside. Yeah. So I give thanks and praises to Rastafari because we Rastas are ancient Nazarenes. Our customs come from the Nazarene order, meaning to say no alcohol. So if That if you see a Rasta man drinking alcohol and smoking cigarette, that's not our culture. Yeah?
What about meat?
No meat, no flesh. No flesh. Our first food is like in the Garden of Eden, they never had no butcher stalls there. Same food like Adam and Eve. Fruits and greens and all them sort of thing. Our meat is the meat is really what's wrong the avocado seed, what's wrong the mango seed, that is meat. But flesh, how could you eat your friends? You understand me? So that's our habitat, fruits and things, strictly vegetarian, no eggs, no stupid drinks like Pepsi Cola and Coca-Cola and them sort of things, sweet biscuit.
So straight vegan diet.
Yes, sweet biscuit and sweets and all them sort of stupidness. No. I am 65 years old, sweet 65, sorry, and I'll be 66 in October. Yeah. So I give thanks and praise to Haile Selassie because he put his name in my heart and in my mind to know him. It's written, yeah, because he never spoke to the whole world. He only chose a few people to reveal himself to. And when Jesus Christus, who they call Jesus Christ, was leaving, it is written in St. John, he only spoke to the disciples and he said, I'm going, but don't worry, I will send you a comforter and I'll give him more things to give you and he'll be a redeemer. And Haile Selassie came. People, our black culture is deep. It's not like saying God is in the sky. No, God is in the heart. Yeah, we always go to see God face to face, black people. We always had our God with us. Face to face, we used to talk to and reason. Yeah? God is in man. Before Jesus Christ came, who they're talking about, he's a spirit, he's a light you can't see. God you can't see. The servant of God, or the representative, was Abraham. Then and down the line Samuel, Moses, all the prophets he said, Isaiah, Jeremiah, David, and John the Baptist. Then after all those people gone, in those days they never used to talk about Jesus Christ. Those were the representative. Moses opened the Red Sea. People do things. So when it came to Jesus Christ, it was his works. After Jesus Christ is gone, that is not the end. Black people culture don't end, is everlasting. So the next man was Haile Selassie, but the difference is that all the others were sons, but Haile Selassie is the father. You see the difference? This is it. This is a 7, and this is a 7. Yeah? 2 sevens clash. This is the Star of David. So when I do this to you, I don't have to talk. That means come. When Haile Selassie does this, he don't have to say, I am God. Right? He knows this is life, the fruit of life. It could be a womb, yeah, a vagina as well. Life. The 2 sevens, the Christians say Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. The Rastas say Father, Haile Selassie, the Son, Jesus Christ, which is Jesus Christus, and the Holy Spirit is Holy Mary. So you must have the woman in creation, or you won't have no blessings. You won't have life. It's a match. God created Adam and Eve, but the Europeans, watch my face, man. I want everybody to see my face when I say this. The Europeans say God has made a mistake. He has to go back to the drawing board. It's not Adam and Eve, it's Adam and Steve. Homosexual, gays and lesbians they're dealing with. So all African people who they in Europe and in America, come out. Yeah, come out, or you'll have to bend down to get promotion in your work.
That's
yes?
sick, yeah.
I have read about the Statue of Liberty in Revelation. Check Revelation. I can't remember which chapter, maybe in around 13, 17, I can't remember. But talk about the woman coming out of the water with the cup in her hand. That is the Statue of Liberty. And the people, yeah, you have to know the interpretation. God gave me this. He didn't give it to the whole world. He gave I this. And because I was not selfish with it, right? And I taught other people, that is my gift to African people, yeah, to show them how to do this. And they could call it banana art because I have not patented the word. Because I was not selfish with this. He had on other gifts too. And one of the gifts he gave I was to interpret the Bible and to know the signs of the times. And these are the signs of the times, crucial times. So if all Africans have to come out, because it's written in the Bible in Micah and in Zechariah, it says all people will go run to come to Africa to talk to the Rastaman.
So repatriation is a must.
Must. They have to come out today
So,
because it's not safe. You see the global warming, it doesn't have to affect South Africa and other parts of Africa. Yeah? It's terrible times coming. Judgment is right in the doorstep right now.
so a lot of land and investment opportunities in South Ethiopia to where people can repatriate.
Yeah, man, we Africa is the cradle of the world. Yeah, we taught the whole world everything is the food basket. So, as it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. We're going to know ourselves because we taught the whole world. We forgot that we taught them. We forgot what we taught them, everything. Now they come back to teach us. So, we learn again. So we're not going to forget again. Yeah.
Excellent, my brother. Ross Bandi, really appreciate the energy and appreciate you.
Bandi Pain from, that's my first name, but because I know I'm coming home to Africa, to Ethiopia, the Ethiopians gave me this name, Hailu Tafari. I didn't give myself this name. I told the Ethiopians in the UK, I spent 4.5 years there having exhibitions, that my heart is strong, my mind is strong. Give me a name to match that. And they called me Hailu Tafari, which means the power of one that must be respected. My baptism name in Orthodox Church, the priest gave me Haile Selassie. So I'm happy.
Well, definitely appreciate the energy, brother. And before we close, just wanted to give a nice little view of the property and take a few photos and share with our brothers and sisters. We'll do some more connecting and push for repatriation. Our goal is to document more and more and connect our people to these wonderful opportunities in Africa. And this is incredible art. Just love your work. And family, this is His Majesty here. Yeah. The man who reached out to us in the African diaspora and said, "Come home, African people." And what year was that His Majesty pushed for repatriation?
Can't remember the year. It's an ongoing process. It's way back. It's way back from the Bible times where it says, "I said to the north, give up." It's in Isaiah, and to the south, hold not back. Bring my sons and daughters from the ends of the earth. Yeah. When he went to Jamaica, in 1966, he said, the Ethiopians and the Jamaicans are brothers. Do you know why he said that? Our brothers and sisters. Yes? And when we found out that the word Jamaica came from Ethiopia, there's a place in Wallo region called Jama Warailu, a river called Jama. So when Ahmad Grans, a warlord, attacked the Ethiopians, Orthodox Christians, he killed 80,000. He sold the other 50,000 to Iraq. Iraq sold them to the British, our ancestors, and took us down to the Caribbean islands, the Caribbean islands, the West Indies. They are not Africans, those are Indians. The Caribs and Arabs inhabited those places. Africa was not from down there, they were taken there. So when it was taken down there, the slave master and them said, "Where did you catch these people?" He said, "We caught them from Jama." So he laughed and said, "Ethiopians, Jamaicans." So I want you to know the histories at Addis Ababa University. We are ancient Ethiopians. So when Haile Selassie came back down there, I reminded us, Ethiopians and Jamaicans are blood brothers. He know what he meant. So that repatriation was just another message for us to know, well, know yourself. You belong up here. You've seen?
Excellent, Virgin. Excellent. Appreciate the energy. And family, this is Bahmani Time, but live in Ethiopia and Shashemene land. And we were pushing for repatriation, pushing for reconnection to the African continent. So, family, the journey continues.
They will be forced out. They'll be forced out of Europe because it won't be nice up there for African people. Not even the Africans alone gonna run. All white people, all cultures, tribes gonna run to Africa because it will be the safest place, especially Ethiopia. Hey, by the way, all these medals say original, you know. These are during Haile Selassie's time they were given to his patriots, his soldiers and army. No, you cannot find them. All these medals are original. By the way, you didn't see what about my pictures here? You didn't see Haile Selassie pictures here? Natural, no colors. Gift from the Most High. No colors are there. By the way, I stopped traveling. I'm not traveling to go nowhere again in Europe or America. Don't keep they offer me $1 billion US just to show my art. I don't want that. I'm not going up there in them places. Sorry. Not going nowhere.